Tune into the Green and Growing program on Eagle Community Television with Holly Dickman, Ellis County Horticulture Agent. Holly will identify common lawn and garden issues and provide up-to-date information weekdays at noon and 9 p.m. on Channel 14. Green and Growing. Brought to you by Eagle Community Television and Riedel's Garden Center, a full-service garden center west of Hayes on Highway 40 next to the Bickles-Schmidt Sports Complex.
If you have an area of lawn that you're thinking about seeding this fall, or maybe you have an area in the yard that you're trying to maybe create a garden plot into, and you have some Bermuda grass that you're trying to eliminate, this is the time of year to try to do that. Bermuda grass needs to be killed when it's actively growing, and Bermuda grass is a warm season grass, so it is growing very actively right now during the months of June, July, and August. And so if you have that Bermuda grass, you need to go out and actually treat it with glyphosate, or commonly known as Roundup, but it comes in many different trade names. And you want to treat it right now. And this is a process that probably won't be a one-time spray it and it's dead type of thing. You'll have to actually retreat that area several times throughout the summer. Now, glyphosate will not work on Bermuda grass unless it's actively growing, like I mentioned. And so if you have some drought stress going on with your grass, it sounds a little bit crazy to go out and water that weed you're trying to get rid of, but that's actually what needs to happen, or you need to wait until it rains and that grass is actively growing once again. After it's actively growing, you can go out and spray it, wait several days, wait for it to die back. A lot of times it'll appear to be dead, but with Bermuda grass, if you know anything about it and how aggressive it is, if you wait just a little while, or if we get a little rain, it'll start coming back. And so you want to go ahead and retreat that same area again. Now, if we don't get rain, once again, go in and water that area that looks all brown and make sure that you don't have any resprouts coming back. So this is a process that might take 3 or more treatments throughout the summer, but once again, this is the time of year to do it. If you wait until the Bermuda grass is going into dormancy, you'll have less effectiveness as far as the control of this type of grass, and you won't be able to get that cool season grass or that garden plot planted without that Bermuda grass becoming an issue again next summer. If you have questions about Bermuda grass or the elimination of it or other types of weeds throughout your landscape, contact your local extension office for more information. Reporting for K-State Research and Extension, Eagle TV, I'm Holly Dickman, Ellis County Horticulture Extension Agent.
Tune into the Green and Growing program on Eagle Community Television with Holly Dickman, Ellis County Horticulture Agent. Holly will identify common lawn and garden issues and provide up-to-date information weekdays at noon and 9 p.m. on Channel 14. Green and Growing. Brought to you by Eagle Community Television and Riedel's Garden Center, a full-service garden center west of Hayes on Highway 40 next to the Bickles-Schmidt Sports Complex.